Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to do first the derivative of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Y equals to sine A. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have cosine A and we continue doing first the derivative of A. So if we apply the formula in here, that should be like this. Next, first the derivative of e to the power of s, we keep the same. First the derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.